how to stop Snapchat from saving photos to our camera roll. Now if we go ahead and open up the Snapchat application, and if I go ahead and take a quick snap right here, there will be a save button available on our screen. If I go ahead and click on this button, it will then save this specific photo right here or snap into my memories and camera roll. Now there is a way on how you can go ahead and avoid it from saving it to your photos and only to your memories. To do this, you want to go back to the Snapchat main menu, and from here you simply want to click on your profile icon. Once inside your profile icon, you can just go ahead and click on the gear icon at the corner of your screen right here. Once inside, you want to scroll down and you can then go ahead and see an option called memories. Just go ahead and click on memories, and from here we have the category for save destination. Just below that you have the save button. Go ahead and click on it, and from here we can then go ahead and choose the functionality for the save button. So if we hit the save button right here, it will then save the snap into the memories and camera roll. If you click on the first one, it will only save to memories, and if you click the last one, it will only save to camera roll. So in our case, we want to go ahead and click on memories right here, and we should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.